3-piece dress-up set lets your little ones become a construction worker, a firefighter, or police, all in one really awesome bundle with tons of extra accessories.
The construction worker outfit comes with a safety vest, hat, and realistic tools, perfect for hands-on play and imagination. The firefighter costume features waterproof, durable fabric that's easy to clean, so it's built for everyday playtime adventures. And the police officer set includes a vest, hat, and accessories like walkie talkie and handcuffs, perfect for catching the bad guys. These outfits are great for birthday parties, school, role play, or dress up days, helping kids dream big while having lots of fun. My 4-year-old and I had an absolute blast doing some pretend play with this set, and I think that your kids would love it as well. So, whether they're saving the day or building something new, this set makes every day an adventure.